It's summer, it's summer. At least I feel like my face wants it to be summer. So no matter what time of the year you're watching this, you're gonna feel dewy and glowy, and I bring into you this amazing, warm, glowy look. So stick around with me and we're gonna doll up this face all natural like with some glow. First things first, in order to have that dewy glow for your natural makeup, no makeup. Did you know that guys think that if girls are looking natural with beautiful makeup, that they're not wearing makeup? But joke's on them, because we are. We're wearing makeup, but we try and psych you out. So I though want to make sure that my skin is looking nice and dewy and glowy. So that moisturizer in the beginning is key to this. Now, I don't wanna put it all over my whole entire face because we all know in the summer we sweat more. So where do I need my moisturizer? I'm gonna get it on, and I tend to get a little dry right here. So we're gonna put that on. One time I watched this girl's tutorial for her no makeup look, and I think that the whole tutorial took an hour. So let's not make it take an hour. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna wait for that to soak in just a little bit, but while we wait for it to soak in, I'm going to do my eyes really quick like. So I have this eye primer right here. It's a NYX eye primer, and this primer already has a skin tone in it. In fact, it's the skin tone color. And so this actually allows my look to be a little quicker, a little easier, because it already is bringing in that natural tone. Now, why do we wear an eye primer? It's really helpful, you guys. I promise it's worth it. One, it's going to make it so that your eyeshadows show up more pigmented. Two, it makes it so that your eyeshadows stay better and in place better. And three, it gets rid of the darker, like the red, pink, purple tones that our eyelids start to get the older we get. So I want this look to be a universal look that anyone can have. I want you to be whatever age and still be able to rock this look. So the eye is insanely easy. I'm taking more of a warm look. You can even take your bronzer. Like honestly, use your bronzer if you want to. So I'm just going to have a very, very basic eye. This is almost absorbed in, so real quick like, I'm probably gonna let it sit for 1 minute, and then you're gonna see me put my sunscreen on. So here in just a sec, you'll see that. But I'm gonna put this brown, this warm brown, not very much, okay, on my eyelid. I'm gonna get it on to the brow bone just a bit. And we're not gonna need much. Now, because I have wrinkly eyelids, I gotta make sure that I get it in there good. And then here we go. So we got those on. So super fast, right? Easy, easy, super fast. That's annoying. That's my AC kicking on. That's annoying. But maybe I'll just turn the music louder and then you don't have to hear it anymore. Okay, so while that is whistling away, I'm going to start putting my sunscreen on, and this is a sunscreen that it comes on dry. So I'm gonna put that on. I'll play a little bit of music so you don't have to hear the whistle, okay? Ready, set, go. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to my eyes and just give a little bit of a touch with them. I'll have the cute music so you don't have to hear that too, but I'm just going to line them a little bit, fix my mascara. I have a little bit on from earlier today. I had to wash it off for this tutorial, but I will just fix up the eyes really quick because this is where the goodness is. So hold tight and I'll see you in 1 sec. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is bronzer. So bronzer is huge. I'm gonna kind of do things a little bit in reverse. I wanna make this a super natural look. I do wanna give myself a little more chiseled out look just so that I feel nice and dimensionized. Look that one up in the dictionary. It won't be there. But I do want to do that. So I'm going to go in with a warmer contour. This color right here, this is a color called Henna, and it just has a little bit of warmth to it. Not too much, but a little bit. So I'm actually contouring first before I do anything else, just because I want to make sure that I don't go in too heavy. I'm just gonna soften it out. See, it's pulling nice and warm on me. Find yourself a warmer contour for this look, for this dewy, soft, melted skin look. So just a little bit of dimension, not a heavy contour line, nothing like that. But see, now I have cheeks. Okay, go in warm for my contour, and your bronzer is gonna kind of be like this one, but a little lower down, and it's just gonna make you look so warm. Down here. Okay, we just warmed that up. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my bronzer. Now I have a cream bronzer, absolutely love, love, love it, but I'm gonna go in with that cream bronzer first before I even add in anything else to my face, not under my eyes, nothing. I'm just warming up my look. The coolest thing about this bronzer too is that a little goes a long way, but if you want to add a little more, you can. If you want to do a little less, you can. You're just fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my chin and down my neck because I want to be warm and I don't want my face to be glowing too much, but not my neck, because most people have lighter necks than faces, unless you're someone who uses a lot of sunscreen on the face and not on the neck, and then it goes the other way around and it's the opposite. Okay, so by going in and getting this dewy, like what do we have going on here first, then it allows us to know what is actually needed some more of. So I want to find an actual color. All right, I thought I couldn't find a color, but I found it. So this is this color, it's called Glow, and it is an illuminator, so it's going to add a little shine. So I'm gonna have that come in on my cheek too, and that's gonna give me that shine onto my cheek. But it's like, look, you can see, it's darker than what my skin tone is, because this is actually made for those who have darker skin. But I want it to kind of just warm me up and give me that glow. So I'm gonna put that there and get this nice warmed up look. Okay, then I'm gonna go in and contour my nose, because that's what I need to do, is contour my nose. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in to my eyes and just soften those out. So I'm not putting makeup all over my whole face. I'm just softening out the areas that need my attention, or that need the attention. One of the coolest things is, so like where we all have different skin tones in our faces for the most part. I've rarely seen someone who it's all completely even. If that's you, oh honey, you better enjoy that, because whew, it's very, very uncommon to have just one tone in the face all over. So I'm going in and addressing these under eyes a bit, softening it out, and then from there, take care of the redness. Okay, now if I wanna have a stronger dewy look, then I'm gonna take this illuminator right here, and I'm going to place it, it's a powder one, and I'm going to place it right in here to warm that up and give me that extra shine, and down my nose, upper lip, right here. Soft, just a titch. And now we have that shine. If you want to add a blush, you can. You don't have to. If you're trying, because we're trying to get that, like, master that really natural glow. So I'm probably not gonna add one. And then I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows. Okay, this is the fun part. This is like, you never do know how they're gonna turn out. Depends on the day. Get a little bit of my Glossier boy brow. I'm gonna make him loose and not be like extra full, but I do need to make sure I fill in the fronts where I'm bald or they're emptying out a bit. So I'm just gonna fill this in the front and make sure I don't have any empty spots as I go back further, but I'm not gonna really hit them up hard. It'll just be a couple key little areas. And just like that, I have this dewy look. And now for my lips. For my lips, I want to give myself just a nude type lip. So a really neutral lip gloss, like a moisturizer, anything for the lips. And then we have our soft dewy look. You can dewy it up more. It all varies with how much somebody wants it brightened, but I totally mastered. I have this glow on my cheeks. I have that glow right there where the light hits. I could make it glow just a little bit more, but this is just such a soft, natural, everyday type look where you're just kind of glowing. So again, easy, and it doesn't have to take too long. If I wouldn't have been teaching you this, walking through this, whatever, it would have been even shorter. I could probably rock this one out in probably 8 minutes or so normally when I'm just doing it myself and kind of not going through it. But there you go. All right, you guys, make sure on Tuesdays too, if you want to see me apply makeup on Facebook, it's Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan, and Instagram is jocelyn.mcclellan. You can find me here, which I would love it if you would like it, to hit the subscribe button, and you can even push the bell, because every Friday I try and knock out a video for you so you get to learn more, see more, and then it's always showing up that I have a fresh video. You're a rock star. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you like this tutorial. Comment below if there's something that you want to see, or if you like this and you're gonna rock it out yourself. But have a good one. We'll see ya. Bye.